toy family. My daddy is now going to teach us how to make a paper aeroplane.
Right then, we're going to make the tornado aeroplane, Lucas. So you have to try and copy what I do, okay?
Okay.
So first thing we do, we fold it over, cross like that. You do as well. Fold it over with your finger. Just flatten it as best you can, yeah? So hold it, that's right, I'll hold it there. Yeah, very good. And what you have to do, you open it up, lay it flat. In this corner, up here, bend it over so it's in line, yeah?
Yep.
That's right. And then just flatten it. Yeah. Then we do the same the other side. So you move that over there. Very good, so you got that. Now we need to fold it over again. And this will make it go super fast. Okay? So watch me look. From here, you fold it over again, right up to the line, make sure it's pointy at the top, with your finger, flatten it that side, yeah? Yeah, let me help you. Do. Bend it over, make sure it's in line. Yeah, like that, okay? And we do the same the other side, yeah? Can you do that? Meets in the middle. Like that. That's right, you do it. You want me to help? Just fold it over. Tornado really fast. Okay? We're going to try it in a minute, it's not going to rain. And what we do next is fold it over like this. Fold it. Like that, and you fold it over, meet it up in the middle. That's right, so fold it up in the middle, and squeeze it, make sure it's all flat. You squeeze it, I'll squeeze mine. Yeah, what we've got to do, we're going to make the wings. Okay, so what we do, we get this. Fold it all the way down, so from the tip, fold it so that it meets the line down there, as best you can. Yeah? Go down like that. You flatten it like that, yeah? Can you do it? No? Let's try it then. So fold it down, fold it over right to the tip. Same the other side. So that's that. And I do mine the other side. And there we go. This is still tornado. Right, we're now going to do another aeroplane. This is going to be called the Harry aeroplane. It's similar to the one we just did, but this one will probably do more loop-the-loops and things like that. That'd be cool, wouldn't it? So what we need to do, get an A4 piece of paper like we did before, fold it over like that. Right, and what I do, I'll stick my finger in the middle. And there we go. Like that, yeah? Done? That's right, okay, whatever you find easier. Then we open it up, and then what's the next thing we do? Can you remember?
Fold both sides.
That's right, so fold one edge, fold it in the middle, and then make it nice and straight. Now what do we do next?
Next side.
That's right. Now what do we do next? Can you remember?
Fold these.
Fold it over again, that's right. Meet it in the middle.
Fold it over.
Yeah. Give it a go. One like that. Let me help you.
That.
Fold over in the middle. Straight as you can. Use a finger like that. And what do we do? Same again.
Side.
Yeah. Meet in the middle. Make sure the tip's very pointy. And then with your finger, like that. Can we do yours? Yeah. So, whose aeroplane is going to be the best, do you think, Lucas? Oh, you think, do you?
I know. Let's have a competition.
Loopy loopies. Okay. Do you remember what we do once we've done that? Fold over. No, we don't fold over. Oh, yes, we do. We fold it up like that. Yeah. That's right, make sure they're all tucked in. Do you want to flatten it for me? That's right. What did we do last time? Remember? Fold it over again. Fold it over, make sure it's in line with the bottom bit. So it looks very much similar to the one we just did, doesn't it? Do it again. Like that. Let me help you with yours. Yeah? Let's fold it over. Like that. Do it again. There you go. So at the moment, it looks very similar to the one we just did, doesn't it?
Yep.
So what we have to do is open up the middle bit, like that. Fold the nose in. Just going to rip its nose off. Well, not rip it off, but bend it in. Fold up, like that. Yeah. And then we fold these back down like that. There you go. That's my wonky nose aeroplane called the Harrier. So let's help Lucas finish his. So we fold it in, fold it together like we did at the start. And fold the wings down. Wings, not wind. Fold it down. And there we have it. We've got the Harrier. So hopefully there'll be some loopy loopies. So let's go try them out, shall we?
Yeah.
Hi everybody, we're in our rolly back garden. We're now going to fly our tornado aeroplane that we just made, and we're going to see how far it goes. So, do you want to have a go first, Lucas? Go on then, give it a go. Oh, what was that? Shall we try again? Do you want to have another go? I'll pretend that was a warm up, okay? Yeah, okay. Try again. Throw it, nice and high. In the bush. That's right. Another go. Ready? Woo! That went far. Right then, we're now going to have a go at the Harrier. Well, it's not actually a Harrier aeroplane. Mrs. Rowley said it's actually called the Bulldog Dart, so I'm sorry for that. So, do you want to have a go first, Lucas? See how far your Bulldog Dart goes? Hopefully in Mummy's head. Go on then.
Wow, that was cool.
Not bad.
Much more fun.
No, leave it there. Yeah, it's alright. My turn, yeah? You get a bonus 50 points if you get them. Ready, go. Oh! That went pretty far. So as Lucas won on the last round, we're going to have another go. Is that right? Is that okay? Good. Best out of 3 apparently. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I won that one. Pick them up then. So I won that one, yeah? Are you sure this is my plane?
Yes.
I don't think this is my plane. Yeah. 100 points, get Mummy's head, yeah? 1, 2, 3. That was a curler. One more?
This has to be mine.
Is that yours? Is it? Oh, well, yeah, I see. Yeah, I want that one. So is it left? No, 2-0 to me. So I've won anyway, but we'll throw this for a laugh, yeah? 1, 2, 3.
Wow!
Was that mine that went up there? That's pretty impressive. I think I'll call yours the rocket. Oh, okay. Right, we're now going to both fly an aeroplane to see how far that the airplanes can go, yeah? Should we go? So after 3. 1. After 3. 1. Oh. Okay. 1. I went quite far though. Go get it in. Go get it again. Oh, wind's picking up at it. You ready? 3. Oof. 1, 2, 3.
I win!
So if you like this video, please subscribe, and yeah, please subscribe.